Beetroot, avocado and chickpea salad. Prepare the ingredients. Peel 4 large beetroots. Chop the beetroot into bite-sized cubes. Place the beets into a saucepan. Add a splash of balsamic vinegar and 1/4 cup of water. Place the saucepan on a low heat, cover with a lid, and cook until the beets are soft. While the beets are cooking, thinly slice 2 radishes. To make the dressing, add 1 tablespoon of grain mustard to a jar. Add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar to a jar. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add a pinch of salt. Cover with a lid and shake the jar. When the beets are cooked, drain under cold water to cool. Slice 1 avocado in half. Peel and chop the avocado. Shake the dressing. Pour over the beets and toss. To assemble, place the beets onto a plate, add some chickpeas, top with avocado, place some slices of radish, layer with some more beets and some more avocado, drizzle over the dressing and serve.